So let's get started with a microbit project. Microbit is a tiny portable computer. You can see one, or part of one over there. And there it is. A lot of fun for children to teach them how to code and do smart home stuff, robotic stuff, and electronic stuff. So let's make a project, and we're going to do a greeting. And we're going to do blocks because that will be the easiest. And let's take a tour of our editor, Microbit Simulator. The toolbox where all the commands are for the microbits, and the workspace where we edit our code, what we tell the microbit to do. And here you can share your project with others, and here you can download your project to the microbit. They're very economical in South Africa, only 300 or 400 rands. And we finished the tutorial. So first of all, we want to do something where the microbit starts. So let's go to basic, and we're going to shine the lights, and let's do that. And just to show you, we also have a pause. Let's put a pause in there, and then let's do a tick. Like that, and make this very short. Then once we have our code, you can just drag things around, and let's say we made a mistake of putting this in. We can just drag it out like that. And then you can see the microbit greeting. Let's make it a bit shorter, and there you see the hello and the tick. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.